guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this particular video. So today I will be sharing all the details that you need to know before enrolling for my batch of AA. So in case you are a AAA student, please go to the next video. Please go to the video that I have shared in the description box, and this video is going to be only for AA students. So let me introduce myself in case you are hearing about me for the very first time. So guys, my name is Ruchi Goyal. Of course, ma'am, we know your name, right? So I am a faculty for AA and AAA, and I will be taking live as well as recorded classes. So let me go back to my history first. I was there in DU doing BCom honors, and then I got campus placement in EYGDS, that is Big Four, and then I left that company and started my passion, that was teaching. So since then, it's almost now 2 years that I've been teaching, and I only take AA and AAA. So these are my core subjects and these are my expertise. Okay, so now let me share the batch details. So guys, there is a good news that this time I am coming up with my own classes and my own website. So you don't have to go to any institute for the registration. You just have to click the link below and you can register yourself. Okay. Now every time I used to take up only English classes, that is Hindi English mix, and I used to receive lot of DMs, ma'am, please take English batch. We don't understand Hindi. We are international students, or we are in a part of India where we don't understand Hindi. So guys, this time I have come up with the English batch. So in case you are opting for the recordings, you will be getting Hindi English recordings, that is mix English. But when it comes to live batch, I will be taking my batch only in English. So if in case you don't understand Hindi, welcome to my classes. Okay. Now, when it comes to the notes, ma'am, will you be providing us with the notes? Yes, I will be providing you with all notes. First of all, the detailed notes where you can read it, where you can read properly. Secondly, whatever PPT or the class notes that I will be using throughout my batch, you will get access to it. And the flowcharts that will be very helpful for the last minute revision, and these flowcharts will actually help you a lot, especially in the last 15 days where you don't have time to read and go through each and every note. You can simply flip through these flowcharts and you can revise your syllabus. Now coming on to the live batch, ma'am, how many classes will be there in a week? What will be the timing? What will be the duration of the class? So guys, I will be coming up with 3 days minimum. So I am taking like English batch for the very first time. I don't have recordings for those. So we will have to sit and do questions. We will have to do each and every concept, and we will bare minimum meet for the 3 days. That I'm saying bare minimum. You may have to meet me for 4-5 days, and whatever recording, for example, in the class, I'll tell you guys, question number 2 is your homework, and now I have to record question number 2. You will get all the latest recording because I will be recording only then. I will be recording then and there. So the biggest advantage is that you are getting the latest recording, not 1 year ago, not 6 months ago, not even 3 months ago. So yeah, we will be meeting like 3 days in a week minimum, and we will be having our class 2 hours a day. And the timing would be 8 to 10 p.m. because there are majority of office going students who say, ma'am, before 8 I am not free. So I have kept the timings accordingly. You can attend your office, you can attend your college, and then you can sit with me at 8 p.m. after your dinner. Okay, so we will be meeting around 8 to 10. Now, how old are recordings? Ma'am, if I go for your recorded batch, if I opt for the recorded batch, how old are your recordings? Is it 1 year ago, 2 year ago, 6 months ago? Guys, it's latest. Literally the latest. The batch that I've just taught, you will get recordings of those classes. So my recordings are very latest. It covers all latest question, And in case, ma'am, your recording doesn't have Darjeeling Company, right? This is a question that I found in the kit and it's not there in the recording. Please text me on the group. I will immediately record it and will upload it on the app. So you don't have to worry, ma'am. What if a question is not there? Will you be willing to record for us? Yes, guys. Yes, I will do it. Okay. Now, ma'am, if I take live batch and I miss the class, will I get recordings? Will I get recordings? Of course, yes. Okay. So, in case you miss out the class, in case you are not able to attend the class due to any reason, you can simply watch recordings. I will be uploading recording like within 30 minutes after the class is over. Okay. So you will be getting recordings of all the classes even if you have opted for the live batch. Now, double A requires evaluation. Double A requires lot of feedbacks from mentor side because at the end of the day, you need to know whether you are writing a correct answer or a wrong answer. So, ma'am, will you be evaluating all answers? Will you evaluate our homework? Will you evaluate our test papers? Will you evaluate our mock? Yes, I will be evaluating all the answers that you submit to me and I will do it by myself. I don't have anybody else who checks the paper or evaluates for me, but I'll do it myself. Okay. Now, will recorded batch cover test series and mocks? So, ma'am, we have seen your stories, we have seen your post that you take 5 section-wise tests and 2 mocks. Will recorded students get access to it? Yes. You will get access to all test series, all test papers and mocks, and you will be treated equally just like live students. Just like live students. There is no partiality. You have opted for recorded. You have opted for live. You are superior. No, guys. You all will be treated equally. You do not have to pay me again for something that you have already paid me for. So you don't have to pay me again for any sort of revision batch test series, right? So in case you have made a payment to me, this is like it covers everything in double A. Okay, so you don't have to pay me again for test series and mocks. Now, validity of my recordings. So ma'am, for example, I actually opt for recording. How many months I can get access to it? Guys, you will get access to 6 months, but listen to this very carefully. First 3 months, obviously, you will get no conditional access, as in you can watch it, you can watch as many times as you want, you can actually see it. Fine, you can see it on the app, MacBook, tablet, anywhere, website. Okay, you will get app. Fine, anywhere. 3 months unconditional. Now, additional 3 months will only be extended in 2 conditions. First condition is that you are not able to pass the paper. So the remaining 1.5 months, you will be given access to it. Secondly, ma'am, I failed my, let's say, for example, FR paper. Now I'll give it in the December. Now I'll give it in the December. So you have to tell me on the result day that yes, I am not giving in the September. I'll opt for the December. Then only you will be extended. Then only you will be allowed for the December batch. So these are the only 2 conditions where I will be giving access to the additional 3 months. Okay. Now, ma'am, what if I want to extend beyond 6 months? Can I do by paying extension fee? No, guys, there is no extension. There is no extension fee. We do not provide any sort of extensions. Fine. Ma'am, when will the syllabus be over for the live batch? Around 5th to 10th August. For the remaining 20 days, we'll do revision, we'll do test papers. And detailed schedule will be actually shown to you, will be actually shared with you on the demo class. Ma'am, when is this demo class? The demo class is on 15th June, 8 p.m. Now, ma'am, what is the fees? Guys, the fees is 12,500 for both live and recorded. So whenever you are paying on my website, please see for which segment are you paying. AA recorded, AA live, AA recorded, AA live. Please pay very carefully. I will not be switching students. Ma'am, I wanted to enroll for live, but I paid for the recorded. In recorded, you will get access to all the recordings in one go. In live, I will be uploading one by one, as and when classes happen. Okay, so pay very carefully. Demo is on 15 June 2025, 8 p.m. Now, guys, how do I enroll? What is the process of enrollment? First of all, you go to my website and you simply pay, add to the cart and pay. You will get an email as soon as you make a payment. Fine, done. You will get all app link, website link, everything that you need to know on your Gmail. Along with it, that email, uh, along with it, what you can actually do, you can log in and you will get access to the recording. Fine, done. The process is done. You will also get a WhatsApp group link on the email itself. So you can just click in and you will get, I would say you will get added to my group. Okay, this is for Indian students. This is for students who are in India right now. What is with international student? Guys, due to certain reasons, my website does not accept international payments. So you have to simply DM me. There is a chat link, WhatsApp link. You can simply contact me. You can simply send me a message. Ma'am, I want to enroll for AA and I am an international student. That is, I'm living outside India. Okay, I'll send you my bank details. You can make a transfer. As soon as you make the transfer, I will allow you access to the app. Okay, the last question. Ma'am, how will the classes be, how will the classes be conducted? Is it through app or is it through the Zoom? So guys, the classes will be held through Zoom only. I will be sharing the link on daily basis in the group and you can simply join in and we will be conducting our live classes. So according to me, yeah, the one more benefit, guys. Ma'am, is there any benefit if we enroll before 15 June? Guys, if you enroll before demo class, because you must have watched my demo, you must have watched my classes. If not, you can check out the playlist. And if you enroll before 15 June, you will get 500 off. Ma'am, how do I get 500 off? You can simply, send me a WhatsApp message that I want to enroll. Please tell me how can I get this 500 off. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. I hope I answered all your questions. Let me know if you have any further questions. I will be super happy to answer it. Bye bye, take care, see you in the class.